Hello everyone, my name is Steven. I'm with Cannin.com and here we are to learn technical analysis trading. This week we're looking at fire and flower. We hope you enjoyed the fundamental, and if you're not getting the fundamentals in the form of our Chronicle emails, then head on over to Cannin.com right now and sign up for those. Those are free and amazing pieces of information. But let's take a look at the pricing chart here for fire and flower, FFLWF. We're looking at the OTC ticker here in the US using our Hakanashi and a couple of the indicators that we've seen again and again, but hopefully you get how powerful they are and how easy they are to use. So fire and flower has had the same pattern as everyone else. A tough 2019, some hope in early 2020 of rebounding some of those losses from 2019, and then flu, oil, general downtrend. Every single industry, every single stock is seeing this. As of late, March, we are getting some rebounds back from 20 cents up to about 46 cents, so pretty nice gains there. On the top here, we're looking at a couple of our moving averages again. The short term period is the 20 period, the midterm is the 50, and the longer term is the 200. The 200 is the green here. The red is our short, that's the 50. We'll see that nothing is really crossing the 200 period yet. Not a lot of action there, so no iron crosses, no death crosses. But we are seeing the red cross the black line. So here's an iron cross. That was a little bit of optimism. You can see it came during this pricing jump. There was a lag of about 3 days before we actually got confirmation of that cross. And then more recently, you can see that we had the other signal the other way, the 50 period dipping below, sorry, the 20 period dipping below the 50 period here, which is the black line. That was pretty predictive. After that loss, the price was about 60 cents, and boom, it's come down all the way to 22 cents. So 3x losses there. Since then, we see our short-term period, the 20 period red line, has reached slope of 0 and turned back up. So are we getting ready to see another buy signal with the crossing above the 50 period? We're going to have to stay tuned and watch to see if that happens. In combination with the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, we've seen this indicator many times. I'll show you again that the MACD is the blue line, the signal is the orange line. We're looking for two different signals here. When the MACD crosses above the signal line, that's a buy trend, as well as when we cross 0, which is right here, that's going to be a buy signal. The same as vice versa. When it crosses below, that's a sell signal, and then when it crosses 0 again to the negative territory, that's also 0. So you can see similar with the period here where we see a loss in the pricing chart, a big loss from 80 to 20 cents. We did get the SMA cross, 20 moving below the 50, and look what happens. Same time period, we get the MACD crossing below the signal line, which is this orange line. Look how much earlier it happens than the SMA signal. And then we get confirmation when it dips below 0 again. So one signal, two signals, three signals, and then a huge loss. So see how powerful this is. The momentum indicators like the MACD do happen before the mathematical ones, the smooth moving averages. But see how they line up here. What a beautiful chart for fire and flower. And are we going to get some of that back? We do see the MACD cross. There's our buy signal for our first buy signal for crossing the signal line on the MACD. And look what just recently happened. We crossed above 0. There's our second buy signal. Will we get a third if we get the 20 period moving average moving above the 50 period in the coming days? It looks like we may be getting that. That would be our 3 buy signals, and maybe fire and flower is getting ready to exit some of the hard times of 2020. But keep a close eye on it. I hope this is helpful. Leave me companies and questions in the comments, and have a great week and happy trading, everybody.